You doing okay? You just had the ride of your life, and you didn't have to go back down with Mama, huh?
Main line, and this rope is not just to tie it on, but is grab the line. So I make a knot on the line so it doesn't fall. Put the needle through because I need the needles to guide
Oh,
the tubes.
let me see. Where do you poke it in? Oh, on
Poke
the
it in
edge
there.
there, yeah.
So I guide the tubes to go through the rope. Poke through the side. I don't want to go all the way too close to have a little bit of a space like an inch to, so it can swing flexible when the winds blow and the line got pulled this way and that way. Help me pull this. You pull it tight.
Is that tight enough? Oh, there we go. Push it out. Excellent. And then one of these days we'll add a little spin seal right down there.
Cut this and then tuck it in.
Connected.
Connect.
Excellent. Thank you, young man with the boa constrictors.